Hi everyone, welcome to Nabla Mahami online class. In this video, we are going to learn the easiest way of balancing a chemical equation. And I have one example on the board to illustrate this. The chemical equation is Mg in bracket OH subscript 2 plus H3 PO4 mapping to Mg3 in bracket PO4 subscript 2 plus H2O. To balance this equation without any difficulty or stress, just follow this simple procedure. The first thing is list the elements in the reactants side. So here I have Mg, also have O. These are the elements. We have H and we also have P. Then we'll move to the product side and list the same elements. Now, after listing these elements, you now look at the number of times they appear in the left-hand side, I mean the reactants side. So Mg, how many are they? We have only one. O, here we have two of them plus 4 here. That will be 6. H, this 2 is multiplying this, so 2 of them there plus 3 here, that will be 5. Then P, we have only 1. For the product side, Mg, we have 3 of them. O, here we have 4 multiplying by this subscript 2, that will be 8. Then we have another O here, they will be 9. Then H, we have 2 of them. And P, we have 2 of them because this 2 is multiplying by that, that will be 2. After doing this, you go back to the left-hand side and balance the one having the smallest number. So if you check through, we have Mg to be 1, P to be 1. So you can decide to balance Mg or you balance P. But I will start by balancing Mg. And to balance Mg, here we have 1, this side we have 3. Now we have to make sure that what we have here will be the same thing as what is here. So since here is 3 and this is 1, I'm going to multiply this 1 by 3. And the result will be 3. So we now have 3, 3. So you go to the reaction side, wherever you see Mg, you write 3 as coefficient. Then the next one is P. Here we have 1 P, here there are 2. So what I need to do is I have to multiply here by 2 so that it will also balance. So I'll go to where I have my P, then I'll write 2 as my coefficient. Now a level O and H, so you can decide to balance any of this. But the easiest way is check which of them is having the smallest value. You see that here is 6, this one is what, 5. So I have to balance H. So now, since we have put this coefficient, it means that the number of H will increase. So we are going to find the new value of H. So let's look at it. Here we have 2 of them. Then the 2 multiplied by this 3 will be 6. Because 2 times 3 is 6. Here too we have 3 of them multiplied by this 2, another 6. And 6 plus 6 will give me 12. So it means that here hydrogen is now 12 since we have added the coefficients. And this side I have 2. What will I do so that I'll get 12 there? It means I have to multiply this one by 6 and the new value will be 12. So I'll go where I have my H, I'll write 6 as my coefficient. So when you are able to do this, it means that you have been able to balance the equation. If you want, you can check and see by finding the value of oxygen. So here I have 3, this one is 12, this one is 2. This side too, I have 2, 12, and 3. 11 the oxygen. Let's see whether oxygen is balanced in both sides. Yeah, I have 2 of them. Multiply by this 3, that will be 6 of them. Then here, 2 multiplied by 4, 8, and 6 plus 8 is 14. So here, I have 2 times 4, which is 8, and 6 times 1, that is 6 plus 8, which is 14. And you can see that oxygen 2 is balanced. And this is the easiest way to balance any chemical equation. Thank you for watching this video. And do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Nabla Mahami Online Class, for basic mathematics, chemistry, and physics, especially when it comes to calculations. Bye-bye.